The truth about women who chase men. Have you ever noticed that the women who chase men rarely get the love, commitment, or respect that they want? You see it everywhere. A woman puts in all the effort, texting first, making plans, proving her worth, while the man keeps pulling away. She feels frustrated, confused, and wonders, what am I doing wrong? The truth is, high value women never chase men. They don't need to. Men pursue them. And it's not about playing games. It's about understanding why chasing destroys attraction and why men naturally invest more in women who don't chase. Let's break it down. Why chasing pushes men away. The scarcity versus abundance effect. Psychology studies show that people value what is scarce and take for granted what is easily available. A 2018 study from the Journal of Consumer Research found that when something is perceived as rare or difficult to obtain, people desire it more. This is known as the scarcity principle. When a woman chases a man, she signals that she is always available, always pursuing, and requires no effort to win over. Subconsciously, the man loses interest because he doesn't have to work for her attention. In contrast, high-value women let men earn their presence, making them more desirable. The investment principle. Who invests more, cares more. A study by Robert Cialdini, a leading psychologist in human behavior, found that people value things they invest effort in. This is called the commitment and consistency principle. Think about it. When someone spends time, effort, and energy on something, they naturally care about it more. But when a woman chases a man, she is the one investing, while the man does nothing. He hasn't worked for her attention, so he doesn't feel attached. This is why men respect and commit to women they have to pursue. They feel emotionally invested because they put in effort. Men are wired to chase, not be chased. Biology plays a huge role in attraction. In the animal kingdom, males compete for females, not the other way around. From lions to birds, the male pursues and proves his worth, while the female selects the best mate. Humans are no different. A study from the Evolutionary Psychology Journal found that men are biologically wired to value what they have to work for. When a woman chases, it disrupts this natural dynamic. Men may enjoy the attention, but they won't feel the deep attraction or commitment that comes from the pursuit. The harsh reality of chasing men. Now, let's talk about what actually happens when a woman chases a man. She texts first all the time. She's always the one suggesting plans. She tries to prove her worth, thinking that if she just shows him how much she cares, he'll reciprocate. But here's what really happens. He stops putting in effort. The less he has to work, the less he values the connection. He loses respect. Men don't admire women who chase them. They admire women they have to pursue. He pulls away. The moment a woman starts chasing, the man starts feeling trapped, not intrigued. A case study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships followed 100 couples over a year. The results showed that relationships where the woman pursued the man had lower long-term commitment rates. Men stayed only as long as the convenience lasted, but once the excitement was gone, they left. The woman who chased felt emotionally drained. They gave so much but got so little in return. And this is why high-value women never chase. How high-value women attract men without chasing. They prioritize themselves. High-value women don't revolve their lives around men. They focus on their own growth, goals, and happiness. A 2021 study from Harvard Business Review found that women who have strong personal goals and independence attract higher quality partners. Build a life that excites you outside of relationships. Focus on your career, hobbies, and self-development. Let a man add to your life, not become the center of it. They let men lead the pursuit. Men appreciate what they earn, not what is handed to them. A woman who lets a man pursue her allows him to show his true intentions. If he's interested, he'll call, text, and make plans. If he doesn't, she won't force it. Dr. Helen Fisher's research shows that men feel more attracted to women they pursue. When a woman chases, a man doesn't feel the need to invest. But when she steps back, the right man will step forward. She doesn't play games, she simply lets him show his effort. If he truly wants her, he'll prove it. They set standards and stick to them. High-value women know what they deserve and never settle for less. They expect respect, consistency, and effort in a relationship. If a man is inconsistent, they don't make excuses. They walk away. If he doesn't prioritize them, they don't beg for attention. They move on. Beyoncé once said she focused on her career and personal growth before Jay-Z. She wasn't chasing love, she was building herself. that self-respect attracted a man who valued her. Studies show that people who set high standards attract better partners. A woman who knows her worth doesn't fear losing someone, she fears wasting time on the wrong person. She only allows people in her life who truly value her. They mirror effect, not over-invest. A high-value woman never overcompensates in a relationship. She matches a man's effort instead of doing all the work. If he texts, she replies. If he makes plans, she appreciates it. But if he stops trying, she doesn't chase. She moves on. Studies from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology show that people feel more emotionally connected when both partners put in equal effort. When a woman constantly initiates, a man gets comfortable and stops valuing her. She understands that real love doesn't require begging for attention. If he truly cares, he'll show it. If he doesn't, she won't waste her energy convincing him. She lets him meet her halfway. They know their worth. High-value women don't seek validation from men. They know their worth comes from within, not from how much they give or how hard they try to prove themselves. A study from the Gotham Institute found that relationships built on mutual respect last longer than those based on one-sided effort. When a woman respects herself, men naturally respect her too. If a man treats her as an option, she walks away without hesitation. She doesn't beg for love or chase attention. She believes that the right man will appreciate her without constant effort on her part. Confidence and self-respect make a woman truly attractive. The moment she stops proving her worth is the moment she becomes truly irresistible. Stop chasing, start attracting. The reason high-value women never chase men is simple. Chasing kills attraction. Chasing makes men lazy. Chasing leads to unbalanced relationships. Instead, they focus on themselves and their own happiness, let men lead the pursuit, set clear standards, and walk away from inconsistency. Match effort instead of over-investing. Know their worth and don't settle for less. The moment you stop chasing is the moment the right man will step up. Be the woman who is pursued, not the one who chases. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more relationship insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below.